Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the dot card. Charge it to at least 50% so firmware updates don't fail. Once charged, install the Dot Drive app on your phone or tablet. This app handles firmware, layout, and file transfers. Enable Bluetooth and grant location and storage permissions because the app needs them to pair and exchange files. Now power on the dot card and enter pairing mode. You'll see a blinking LED. Once done, open the app and tap the card to establish the first connection. Once paired, check for firmware updates immediately. Updating fixes bugs and improves reliability. Make sure you keep the card powered and your phone nearby during the update to avoid interruptions. After that, select the Braille layout and keyboard mapping that match your reading and typing preferences. This ensures dots correspond correctly. Next, load files. Use the app's transfer feature or a USB-C connection to move BRF, BRL, or TXT documents. Once transferred, open a test file to confirm dots render correctly and navigation keys respond. Finish by calibrating dot sensitivity and cursor tracking so tactile movement feels consistent. This improves long reading sessions. Take time to practice navigation shortcuts and save your preferred settings in the app, because that prevents repetitive setup later. If you encounter problems, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot both the dot card and your device, disable then re-enable Bluetooth, and if needed perform a factory reset from the app. If issues persist, check battery level and repeat the firmware update. These steps resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.